Hello traders! Consider that you want you and your friends to trade together, pretty much changing ideas, changing setups, opportunities during your trading days. Imagine that you want to create a group that you could pretty much even teach people how to trade. You can pretty much handle your own community in one single place. This is why we actually developed a project called Connect Chat. So this is pretty much a community inside BlackArrow. So you could come here, select your friend, let's say, and you can start speaking with your friend. Hello. You can send images, print screens from your trades. You can send archives, files, layouts. You can share your workspace. You can share your strategy, your automation, everything inside just one place.
Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click on the card up here.
You can do video calls. You can pretty much search things inside the chat. You can even give signals. Okay, so you can pretty much create a signal that the other people could just go there and replicate it into their account. So this is a really nice feature that you could start trading with your trading buddies, right? So this is something that I wanted to show you and everybody could use, and you can even find groups all over the place. Like there is a lot of information and groups available that you can join and for free. So here it's like they share strategies, they share YouTube links for live trading and everything inside the platform. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that everybody who's watching our channel, please also like and subscribe this video, could use it and see it. Okay, so thank you, and until the next video.